The Marquis partnership for the Make-A-Wish enterprise and all our 59 chapters is such an impactful commitment by any company. And so to know that they have been with us for 20 years and granting wishes all around the United States has been truly amazing. And being the 1,000th wish today, I think just shows that Marquis' commitment to wish kids and to the value of a wish, bringing hope and joy to a family, is beyond the pale. And we are so lucky to have them as a national partner.
Haiden was going to get something that was totally for him, something to just for his joy and his quality of life. And so with the hot tub, we knew that Haiden would just, he would spend every day and as much time as he could get in there.
So incredible to be here today to see Haiden receive his hot tub wish. I think that a wish like this for a kiddo like Haiden who has some mobility issues, it really gives him an incredible amount of freedom, a place where he can just find joy and where he and his family can come together and enjoy being together in a safe space.
He sometimes is not too steady on his feet, but in there he has a degree of motion and freedom where he can move around on his own.
Hydrotherapy is really an amazing thing. Being able to just be in a tub with water and have the amazing jets that Marquis puts in their tub, it can really help out physical therapy or just overall therapy for the children. We feel very, very fortunate to be here for Hayden's wish and the 1,000th wish for both Marquis and Make-A-Wish.
You know, I think it's absolutely amazing that they've granted 1,000 wishes, and when I found out that Haiden was going to be the 1,000th wish, I was so excited to know that here's a previous 999 kids that have received these amazing hot tubs to be able to, you know, relax and sit back. The stresses of the world just fall off of these kids when they can get in there.
The idea that Make-A-Wish partners with people like Marquis and really figures out how to make something special for each kid, I think is something that is incredibly valuable. You know, this is something that he's going to be able to enjoy for years and years to come, and that will have made his life better, and we are incredibly thankful.